Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are hanging out in an empty room because I'm going to transform this into Baby Belle's play area room. So Baby Belle's gonna be turning 1, you guys, in just a couple more days. Today all of my orders for her birthday have arrived, so it's time for me to get a move on and get this room ready. So what I had in mind was creating this safe area for her to where I don't have to supervise her every single move. So I got a whole gate, and it's gonna be a full-on play area for her. And at the same time, there's a window over here. I'm thinking that's where I want my desk to go, because this will allow me to work. We're all working from home, so we have an office, but there's no door in there, so there's no privacy. And then there's no safe area for her in the office. So anyway, I want to create this area for her to just be free, have safe toys in there, like big enough where she's not putting things in her mouth and she's not requiring like my full-on eyeballs, to follow her around. So this is my plan for today. I'm gonna unbox everything, put together what I can and what I have right now, and that's gonna be our gift to her for her first birthday, because as we all are in lockdown, there's no birthday party going on, so this is our way to celebrate her. So you guys stay tuned for that if you want to see the transformation of this empty room. This is the before of the room. Empty room, and her play area over there, and then my desk area here. So let's get to work. The baby is sleeping right now, and under this room is the master bedroom where she's sleeping. The fence is bigger than I expected, which is awesome because she has enough space in there to move around. It was pretty easy. Once I figured it out, you're supposed to loose these, like loosen them, not all the way, but loosen them enough so you can kind of mobilize and open up the entire thing. So these are all loose for now. I have 2 attached. Pretty much what you do next is drill these onto the wall so that babies won't move these around, so it'll be safe for them. And then I love that it has this little door here, and all you do is push this back and it releases this lever. Pull it open, pull it up, and then it goes open. So it's so cute. Like, she'll have a little door. So cute. I know she's gonna be messing with this when she figures it out though. Hopefully no time soon. And there it goes, it's locked. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up the inside part of it. Next is the flooring. This is not gonna cover the entire area, but it'll be enough for one space. So a color to match. She loves Work Party, you guys. And that was kind of the inspiration for these colors. For one of the characters, Lulu, she's the panda. So okay, so I'm really excited about this one because I got her a kiddie pool shape of a swan, and I'm gonna fill it up with pelotitas so that can be her ball pit, I guess that's what they call it. So I need to inflate this. I hope she loves it. I'm really excited about this one. This is probably going to be bigger than I expected. Definitely. But I'm mean, it's enough room. She's about to be 1. She's pretty big for 1 year old, so I think she'll get to, use it for some time. We have a balloon machine, so I'm gonna go get that and see if that works with this, because it'll make things so much easier. At the machine, I'm hoping this works. If this works, shoo. I did not struggle to put this together, but let's hope it works. It's like different sections to it, you guys. Like there's 3 different, 1, 2, 3, and then the swan's head. Zero struggle, you guys. Oh, this is like a whole pool. Okay, so now all I need is the little wings. Okay, so I ordered 100 pelotitas. This doesn't look like 100. I'm sure they are. It's like they're so deceiving, because like it's just doesn't look like that many. So I may have to order some more. I could have sworn I ordered some clear ones too, but I got this color obviously to go with her matte. So yay! So I definitely need, like, you guys, I'm gonna need like freaking 6 packs of those, probably even more. Like, look at that. That's what 100 little pelotitas will cover. So if you're thinking about doing this for your babies, definitely gonna take some more of those. Okay, so like I mentioned, Baby Belle's favorite show is Word Party, and this is the only thing that calms her down. So for her birthday, we have also pretty much her major gift is the tablet. And this is the cover for it. The tablet's still not here. But my plan was for me to hang this up while she plays here. I can have that playing in the background, because it really does entertain her. And that way, she'll last longer in here. So I plan on hanging this up in the wall. I'm going to be using this little, what do you call it? The command strips with this hook. I think that's her. To hook her tablet up so she doesn't have it just hanging out, like tossing it or whatever. So the cover comes with this string, and I plan on having it hanging up for her, like a little mini TV sort of thing. So I'm still undecided on where I'm gonna place that, but that's my plan. We're supposed to be painting these walls, you guys, because honestly they're really like terrible. So I don't know if I should wait, if my husband's gonna decide to do that anytime soon. But I couldn't keep waiting on him, because it's literally like 3 days away kind of thing. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and stick this in there somewhere. But I mean, I don't even know if you can tell on the video, but it's like so many marks on the wall. It just doesn't look pretty. So we're definitely going to be painting this room, but just not sure if we're going to get it done before her birthday. So for today, this is going to be all. I went ahead and switched the rug because I just wanted her closer to me. I think that's where I'm going to have my desk. And then I'm going to order more pelotitas, and then that's where I hung up her tablet. You can see, look how busted the wall is, you guys. That's what I was talking about. But there's the hook, and then I plan on her tablet just being like that. She can hang out, play with her toys, and do stuff, and that's just like a place to hang out, hang her tablets. Okay guys, so this is the final look so far. Leo was able to paint the wall after all, and today's Baby Belle's birthday. I just finished the last minute decor. I put the mirrors up, the birthday balloons, those little hanging thingies. So I just wanted to show you really quick how we ended up setting it up. We're about to surprise her for her birthday. So I will be recording that too, so we can have it as memory of her first birthday. So stay tuned.